Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do another multi-palette bingo, and I'm going to do it with my Kaleidos Futurism collection. So as you know, I've done 3 looks, one palette with each of these previously, and I'll link them down below. And I want to play with them again, and I figured, well, let's dip into all of them and see kind of what colours we get and what kind of look we create. So I'm going to take 2 from each of these palettes. So I've got my random number generator here, and I'm going to start off with Sci-Fi Green. So we'll have a look and see what numbers or what colours we end up getting from this. So let's go, let's generate, and I've got number 2. So number 2 in this one is nuclear. So this one here, this gold. So I'll swatch that. So we've got nuclear. So a nice gold shimmer. I might put another, there's a bit of a soft swatch, another colour over it so we can see what it is. Alright, the next one. Let's go with this palette. Generate number 6. Oh, so we've got the dark side down the bottom, so the matte black. Now this is a beautiful matte black. So here we go. There we go. So we've got the matte black. Let's go into the second one now, which is the cyber bronze. So these are the colours we could get. And let's have a look. So we've got 2 again. Oh, yay! So this is infrared. So this is this beautiful red metallic. And here we go. There's that one. Alright. Next one in that is 4. Which is Droid, which is just like a mustard beige kind of colour. So here we go. So there's that one. As those 2, and then the last one, last little trio is Astro Pink. So the colours we could potentially get in this one are here. And let's see what we... Oh, wait up. Oh, it goes that way. Okay, so it goes that way. Alright, so let's see what we end up with. Generate. We've got number 6, which is this Luna down here, which is just a matte transition kind of beige. And last one, number 2 again. 2 seems to be the popular number. So this is Neptune, which is this beautiful purple-blue shift. There we go. So they're the 6 colours we're going to work with. What are we going to do with them? I don't know, but I'm going to bring you in closer and let's see what we come up with. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to go in with the Luna that we got from the Futurism 3, just this one down here, this matte transition colour, and I'm going to use it as a transition colour. So I'm just going to take it on a fluffy brush and just place that all through my transition. So I'm not sure when this video is going to go up, but I'm on holidays at the moment, so I'm just trying to pre-film a few videos before I go back to work. Because it's always, as much as I like to, it sometimes gets hard with everything going on in my real life to sit down and film videos consistently. So I thought I'd film a few over the holidays because I've got the time, and I'll be able to put up a couple a week. Alright, so we've got that Luna through. I'm now going to go in with Droid, which is that deeper kind of mustardy colour. And I'm going to take that on more of a tapered blending brush, and I'm going to put that through the crease and just deepen up. Okay, so I'm going to put a bit of glitter glue across my lid, all the way across, and then we're going to go in with some of those metallics. So on just a shader brush, I'm going to go in with that red, infrared, and I'm going to put it on the inner and outer part of my lid. Okay, so I've got infrared down. I'm now going to go into the sci-fi green and that gold that we got, which was nuclear, and I'm going to put that in the center. So I'm just going to start going between the gold and the red, just on the edges, to create a bit of a fade. So I'm going to have the gold on one side and the red on the other, and start kind of just trying to make a nice little transition-y colour, and hopefully it will kind of turn into a little bit of a, you know, orangey colour and make that kind of blend in. So there we go with that. Now, I've got two colours left. I've got the black and the blue. So I'm just going to take a little pencil brush, go in with the matte black, which is dark side, on a little pencil brush, and I'm going to run that along probably the 2/3 of my lower lash line. I'm going to bring a little bit of that dark side just up into the outer part of my upper lid with that infrared. We will blend it in a second. Okay, so I'm going to go in with a little bit of Droid on the original blending brush I've used, and I'm going to start smoking that out a little bit. I'm just going to take a little bit of that infrared again and just pat it over where we've put the dark side out here, just to kind of blend those two colours together so that the dark side hasn't really taken over this upper lid, but it gives just that touch of depth out in that outer area. Okay, so I'm going to put a little bit of glitter glue on my little tight lining brush that I have here, just a little brush, and I'm going to run that in my inner third of my lower line. And now I'm going to take Neptune, which is that blue purple duochrome, and I'm going to use the same brush, and I'm just going to start adding that into this inner third and blending it into the dark side. I've just gone off and added some black into my waterline and some mascara, and this is the finished look. I kind of like doing these kind of palette bingos because it forces you to put colours together that you probably wouldn't have put together any other way. So, I don't know, do you like what I did with the look? Okay, so Thanks for joining me on this. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button. Leave a comment down below. Let me know that you watched, what you thought of it. And as always, remember, be kind, be strong, and be a warrior. And I'll see you later. Bye.